All right, well, it's going to be a really windy day, so I'm going to try to cut out some of the audio. But I had these two sets, both one set on one trail, one set on a water trail that comes in. Ended up pulling really nice mink. Probably it's a small male, looks like. He was in both traps, but you know, I'm still getting both those sets covered. So I got another one over here. I only have a small line out. It's only 16 sets. I've got 4 traps at each location. This one is 160. It's empty, so that's my third one. And I got another one up here. Right there. You can see it, it's right there, and it's empty too. So I'm going down to the next location. All right, well, we don't have anything here. I got one conibear there. There's another one right here. And I have one set on this trail over here. I do have one of my little drowning rods set up right here, and nothing yet, so we're gonna go set a beaver set right now, and I'll show you when I'm done with that. All right, so yeah, this wind's horrible. I got my trap bedded right in front of my small caster mound, and I put it right next to, that's my caster mound, that's this big giant one. So that's gonna pretty much piss that beaver off. So, and it's from judging from that track right there, the big beaver. So hopefully we'll be able to connect with that one. The water's been fluctuating, so I'm trying to do a front foot catch. So hopefully we come back and that trap won't be out of the water, but we'll see. Drowning wire goes out into deeper water, and yeah, so anyways, let's get moved on and get on to our next sets. All right, so we don't have anything on this drownder. Nothing on this drownder. My 2 conibears that I got along here. Don't have anything in there yet. Set down here. That slide is being used on the regular. I get a set in there. Probably on my next set. Anyways, get down to my next sets. Sorry, okay, so I found a spot that was out of the wind. I checked all of my sets over there. I had one muskrat. I don't know if you can see him right there. Been pretty slow here, but like I said, I only have 16 sets out. I have picked up that mink. Makes the second mink here. Actually, the mink I caught was in the conibear. The first one I caught was in the conibear that was just up from those 2 footholds that I caught that one mink in, or today. So I had a raccoon in that set. The 2 footholds I caught the mink in, I had a raccoon in that set. The check before, then I had the mink, and I had 3 muskrats. This check I only had the 1 rat and the 1 mink. I did get that beaver set out, so hopefully on our next check, which should be Friday morning. Today is Wednesday. Friday morning, hopefully we'll have a beaver in there. I'm going to try to bring down 2 more drowning sets so that I can pick up set those slides that I found. I found 2 slides kind of close to where my second set of traps are. So yeah, anyways, so thank you for coming with me on my adventure. I know it was kind of a slow one. Like I said, I only got 16 sets out. It's nothing impressive, and I'm mostly trying to target mink on this last bit of the season. So I want to catch a few more mink. I've got a guy that's paying pretty decent money for him, and all I got to do is bring him into him whole. So for not having to do a whole lot of work, can't beat it. But yeah, so anyways, so thank you for coming with me on my adventure. And if you like this video, or if you made it this far, please consider subscribing. And I hope you guys have a wonderful and great day. And tight chains, and peace out.